Welcome back to the showroom, y'all. I got a chance to go and do an impromptu toy hunt. You know, whenever the opportunity shows, gotta get to it. Cut to Target. Target. Go to Target. Welcome back, y'all. In the showroom, I'm a huge Wolverine fan, and just because I just started getting into Spider-Man figures, and I already picked up one of the Spider-Man. Saw this other one, and I'm like, got to. So, which one you want to see? Come on, come on, come on. I'm just gonna guess this is the Wolverine. Boom. Man, I'm good. You think I might have planned that or something. But you see that? It's a little bit of glare, but we can deal with that. Look at that. The box is so nice. I got to say it twice. The box is so nice. So look at that. No damage. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then the coupe de grace. Flip it over. Boom. Cyborg Spider-Man. Cyborg Spider-Man. So I also picked up that other Spider-Man. The figure one. Yes. Picked it up when that Rogue and that Gambit went on sale. Yeah, I used to have that Rogue and Gambit, but I sold it to somebody. For cost, too. Well, I think I charged a little bit more. That Rogue was hot. Fuego. And so, but look at that. Still, box is nice. If you saw that other video of the toy hunt, those boxes weren't nice at the other one. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. But the other things I picked up. So first and foremost, not one, but two. Because, you know, once I get my Spider-Man display up, one of these is going to be out the box, and the other one's going to be in the box. So, there. And then, the other one I picked up, which one you think? Which one? Booyah! The Panther Mobile. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's a Black Panther car. Look at that. Look at that. Right there, right there, right there. You know what? Why wait? Why wait? I'm a grown ass man. Might as well just open it up and show it to y'all. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? That Panther car is the joint. And since we did that, hey, we might as well go back, right? Hit up that mom. Gotta make sure I didn't pick up the wrong one, because I just opened it up without looking. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Like, look at that. It looks like you can see, like, eyes, like they are on Spider-Man. Miles Morales' version of his logo for Spider-Man. Them colors. And then finally, because the TV show is on the way. We gotta do this one. And that is The Falcon. And look at that. It even has the show. The Falcon and Winter Soldier. Once again, 2 of them. One in, one out. That's just how we do. So, let's get into it and see what we do about it. I wasn't planning on making this video any longer. Just gonna show you and move on. But what fun is that? Now look at that. Look at that. See, you got the wings. They're grayish silver. Got a little red on the wheels. The wings have some, they got a little red on them. You can see. Even on the inside. Got the little symbol. Red engine. A little gray and red. Get Falcon's colors. I wish the wings were a lot more red, like almost to the color of the engine, to kind of actually mimic like the comic book version. But this is the movie version, so, or the MCU version. So he's a lot more gray, a lot less red. Boo. But, hey, I have a Falcon figure. I got Black Panther figures. I don't have a Miles Morales. Oh, I do. You saw it. But that was the Venom version. I need the regular version. And always and forever, enjoy life.